a million. In much of my pride, my spirit and energy transformation skills kept me alive by defining your purpose, physical movement, and resilience at all times. We rise to the heights, master the skills where fullness lies.
From moon gazing to earth shaking, how to make your mark. Don't just exist. Take your time on earth to be monumentally memorable. Imagine standing on the moon, gazing down at the earth, the place that you call home. It's a perspective that makes you want to live a life worth remembering, isn't it? Really? I mean, here's how you can make that happen. Hi, I'm Kerry Ruff, an energy transformation strategist, guiding you in using your inner power to propel your ideas, your products, your services into the world. Start by understanding your purpose. Align your actions with what truly motivates you. It's not about doing, it's about making an impact that resonates deeply with your values. Next, master the art of physical communication. A firm stance and a confident smile aren't just good for your posture, they're your tools for building trust and opening door opportunities. And when obstacles come your way, which they will, that's when you let your resilience shine. Build a network that supports you. Maintain your focus and push forward with determination. Remember, every great story on earth began with a dream. Keep connecting and moving your energy different.
Small physical movements and breathe positive language. Become true with your small physical movements and breathe positive. Build confidence as trust grows. Next comes resilience. When challenges appear, we use our unstoppable song. Bounce forward goals, never slow to rest. Energy transforming skills that reach the sky, where fulfillment and profitability lie. Keep connecting, move different.
Are you ready to skyrocket your success? I'm looking for 5 ambitious souls eager to connect their product, service, or skills with the world in just 30 days. You want in? Just check out the full details at kerryruff.com and include what you're passionate about and why you should be one of the 5. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to avoid missing this life-changing opportunity. Let's create together.